Hello, this is Denise Miller with Visual Faith Ministry. This is my November flip through of the Common Book in 2025. So first page, I usually scripture scribe all of this over here, but my word for the year is steadfast, so I ended up just writing steadfast love over here. I did get to some of my devotional journaling, and then I was traveling, so did not finish out the month. My monthly gratitude I did on another page. Have my prayer spaces, some fun things from community Bible study, my Agape special needs adult class. We did some things, so I like to put them in here to remember by. And we also did our ThanksLiving this year, Psalms of Ascent. So this was the cover sheet. Got a beautiful card. Did my scripture scribing and reading. It's beautiful from Jennifer Barbet. I did not color it in, but I love it black and white. We have commentary, 4 commentaries, and then 4 places to scripture scribe. And then this month we actually had 3 devotionals. The Psalms of Ascent one, which was in a separate packet. That one was from Jenny Long. I have some things from Around the Word. Some ephemera, and this is what we call free-form verse mapping. Again, commentary from Carolyn Bira, and then scripture scribing. And this was our Psalms of Ascent, and I used it as a gratitude. So that was a lot of fun. These were our Psalms of Ascent scripture scribing list. And so I had little cards that went along with this that I scripture scribed on. And I actually put some of the cards in here as well. Just some of our ephemera from our ephemera packet. Here is another one of our devotionals. This one was the one out of, I'm pretty sure, out of the Bible journaling packet. And I put this page in, and I was going to scripture scribe on it or do something, and I never got around to it. So it's there, but it's pretty. And here's the last devotional by Candy Schwark. Last verse mapping. And this came from Around the Word as well. And then I did put some of my cards, I scripture scribed on the back of them. And I was going to have them flip up, and I ended up just gluing them down. And that is the end. And we get into December.